Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and thank you for taking some time out today to spend some time with me and learn a little bit more about the crypto and DeFi space. Check us out on X, Crypto Zone 1013, and check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. Dad's DeFi Space is your go-to place for crypto and DeFi market analysis, technical analysis, education, and news. So let's take a look at a bullish narrative during this year's alt season. So welcome to the exciting frontier of cryptocurrency. Artificial intelligence is meeting the blockchain in the form of AI technology. These innovative tokens are representing a unique way of using AI and also meme culture within the crypto space. So this might be an excellent opportunity for us to make some life-changing gains this bull market. So as we head deeper and deeper into altcoin season, the case for AI agents is a strong and bullish play. It's becoming very, very compelling to me, not financial advice. And remember, nothing we do here is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dad trying to play around in the DeFi space. This space is risky. You can lose everything. So education is important. So let's break down the bullish thesis for AI agents and why they are capturing the attention of crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. So why are we so bullish on virtual protocol and other AI plays like the GOAT token, Spectral, which is another AI agent play on the Base network? And today's video, we're going to highlight virtual protocol, which, to be quite honest, has shown immense gains during the last couple phases of this bull cycle. So let's take a look at why. So whales have been allegedly accumulating virtual protocol. Major moves, and we're looking at multiple millions of dollars of virtual protocol being purchased over the last few days, mainly through Coinbase. Now, the bigger question is, why are the whales accumulating? There are many crypto investors and traders out there that will follow whales on the blockchain and try to piggyback off of their plays. Let's take a look at why. So the AI agents that are being created on the virtual protocol, they all transact with virtual tokens. So as the ecosystem grows and the AI agents are trading and interacting with these tokens, there's a use case. When there's a use case, that means demand goes up. As demand goes up, price goes up. So AI agents are no longer just a trend in this space. This may just be the beginning. It's hard to say. So in the last 30 days, virtual has basically pumped 300%. Yes, 300%. So what's next for AI agents in crypto? Well, they actually are making a shift into more and more use cases. Many of the early ones I saw were basically just meme tokens you could interact with. They would crack jokes, sarcastic remarks, some of them maybe some market analysis and things like that. But the technology is expanding, and in this space, more and more people are starting to see the use cases for these tokens. As we look at the bullish narrative for virtual protocol, you will see that three main reasons that I believe AI tokens have an extremely bullish thesis. Let's take a look at why so bullish. What kind of use cases can we see with AI tokens? Well, first off, many of these are like meme coins, and meme coins thrive on community. You saw this the last few cycles with Dogecoin, the cycle that I began with Shiba Inu, and many others like Pepe, and some of our favorites, Brett, Whiff, and Popcat. The AI narrative adds credibility to the meme coin space. So unlike traditional meme coins, AI agents can actually be anchored in real world utility. For example, someone could build an AI agent that helps us to manage our liquidity positions in the DeFi space, managing our ranges, harvesting fees, much like what we do with VFAT. You can also use something like AIXBT, a AI play on the Solana network. This one actually is a crypto hedge fund, pretty much being run by an AI agent. So the AI is actually working as, in a sense, the CEO of the hedge fund. Quite interesting. This shows an intersection between AI and blockchain technology. And AI is transformative, right? It's rapidly evolving applications, finance, gaming, content creation, everywhere. And this can be scary with new technology. The blockchain actually can ensure transparency with artificial intelligence and can help us interact with decentralized systems such as lending protocols, asset managers, data analytic protocols, etc. These are actual real world use cases and not financial advice. I think a bullish narrative going into this altcoin season. So when capital starts to flow from Bitcoin into Ethereum and then into altcoins, this would kind of fall in the range of a mid-cap alt, although it's blowing up so much, it's basically at this point become a large cap. What I would like to do at this point is just take a look at the virtual chart so we can kind of see where we're at in our play. We're on the daily chart and it's almost hard to look at because it's been so bullish over the last little bit. So we're going to take this down to the 4 hour, as you can see. I'd like to zoom out a little bit. Hold on. There we go. So I'm auto fitting data to the screen. We're looking at the virtual protocol chart. Back in early spring, virtual protocol was sitting at about $1.38 to $1.36, and went on a ran up to about $2. Yeah. I wish I would have gotten to the coin at that time. I did not, but just over the last few days, virtual protocol is up almost 30%. Nice little gains, and yes, we took some profits on some of that, and we may rotate some of that into some actual AI plays. Now, as far as price predictions, we could take a look at the day chart, right? And you can see this massive gap up. It's done this before, and a lot of times you have a gap like that, you're going to have issues. Sure, assets tend to fill the gaps, and we'll make a video about that in the near future. What we're going to do, like we were showing you on the live stream yesterday, is we're going to look at a trend-based extension. This would be kind of the beginning of the run, the top of the range, and then the retrace to about right here. Now, remember, these are all estimates. It never shows us exactly what we want to see, but it can give us ideas of how we can ladder out of this position, right? So right now, I'm going to use these fib levels as kind of potential ladder points. We're looking at about 470, 475 at the 2.6, 6.48, and then at the 3.68, about $8. Now, once if virtual protocol gets up into let's say the 10 to $12 range, I'll probably be taking the majority of my profits at this point. Not financial advice, but I do believe it would be good for a lot of us out there to share more of what we're doing in this space, and that we can all learn from each other. And again, if you're interested in finding a community to do this with, check out CryptoLabs Research, one of the best DeFi communities in this space. Our link below, 20% off your first month. I wanted to show a current chart of virtual protocol. You can see the rocket around the middle Bollinger Band that I put on the chart. This is where we last saw virtual protocol before the breakout. We went all the way up to the $5 range, which basically was, approximately, I don't know, almost a 50% gain, give or take, or not that much. Around a 50% gain. And then right now we have been on a massive dip. Right now we're sitting at about $3.71, and we are almost back to the middle Bollinger Band. I hope we have a bounce off this over the next couple days. Some of my positions would thank me for that, or be thankful for that if it happens. But I wanted to give an update since the first part of this video was from over a week ago, and there have been price changes on the asset. Now, let's talk about sentient agents on the virtual protocol. Right now, you are seeing the main page for virtual protocol. It does take a second to load. Some of these are pretty interesting to play with, and you can see that some of their own AI agents are actually working within the Ton ecosystem, TikTok, Sanctum, so many different things. So they have the meme coin narrative, they have the gaming narrative, that has the AI narrative. When there's a convergence of narratives like this, I think might be a good play this bull run. Again, not financial advice, but let's enter the app and just take a look at some of the plays that you can use within the virtual protocol. We're going to take a look at some of the AI sentient agents on the virtual protocol. Probably the most heard about, the one that everybody knows, would be AIXBT, but you have other ones here, as you can see on this list. Most of these are very, very, very small market caps and are extremely risky plays. So nothing here is an endorsement to buy any of these virtual agents. They're just ones I'm looking at. Some of them I've invested in before, some of them I have not, but these plays are risky. As you can see, most of the market caps are just a few $1,000,000. So the first agent I wanted to look at is AIXBT. He is sort of a hedge fund commander. It has been on a massive downtrend over the last 2 days, but as you can see on this chart, I mean, it has just gone off over the last month or so. Its market cap sits at 494 million, and it runs a Twitter account that gives tons of crypto and low cap altcoin alpha. It is designed to track crypto Twitter discussions and leverage that to identify high momentum plays. Just something to research if you're interested in. Our next one I just started to do research in is called Luna, and it is a sentient entertainment agent. She has been much on a decrease. This sits at a $135 million market cap, and Basically, Luna is the visual and lead vocalist for this AI agent. It actually is releasing an album right now on Spotify, and it streams 24/7. Check out their Twitter agent account and see all about that. But it's one that I just think sounds extremely interesting and could really affect the entertainment and music industry. Another one that people have talked about in the discords and stuff has been Vader AI. Vader AI is very similar to AIXBT. It does research on Twitter and, or excuse me, X and Instagram, Telegram. It sits at $120 million market cap and basically is supposed to observe trends, dissect the trends, and provide kind of uncompromising research and alpha on the crypto markets. Another one that people talked about is Seraph. This is supposed to be kind of a AI agent meant to think of it like a fact checker, kind of the guardian AI agent of authenticity. Sorry. Now, Seraph has been on a massive downtrend, so I did have a little bit invested in this. It did not look good. I got rid of it because we bought her on here and we lost a little bit on this play. Again, these virtual agent plays are extremely risky. Now, this is an on-chain one called Hack Terminal, and they're supposed to be out there trying to hack protocols offering bounties, returning the crypto, of course, to collect the bounties for identifying weaknesses within protocols and coins, etc., and smart contract stuff. Now, its market cap sits at $20 million, and if you read about it, it sounds like it's supposed to hunt vulnerabilities, secure stolen funds, and then redistribute the bounties that it collects hacking into different protocols. Very, very interesting. This is one I'm going to be watching over the next little bit. Now, this is one I actually still have a good amount invested in. Now, this one is called Wrecked Burgundy. Now, as you can see, he is on a massive downtrend, but this has been a very fun one to play with. Looking at the hour chart, you can see he is a meme coin, in my opinion, but he gives news reports about the crypto space very much in a Ron Burgundy fashion, the Will Ferrell movie. This is him right here. They're getting ready to release his voice, and I'll let you read the description. He's quite hilarious, and I like to interact with this sentient agent with my X account. You should try to. There should be links down at the bottom. There are none. Well, you can just search. Oh, here they are right there, right here. And you can find Wrecked Burgundy. Now, this one is a very low cap play. You're sitting at $1 million market cap. So this thing can move. I mean, really move. So please be aware of that. Extremely risky play. But I hope that you've gotten a little bit more interested in the virtual AI agent space. I appreciate each of you today taking some time out to watch my video on virtual protocol. AI agents are obviously going to be a huge narrative after the crypto bull run continues after this dip. Now, we may be very early to this technology, and it kind of has the feel of pump.fun and the meme coin space out there. But as risky as these kind of plays are, this is how you make the big gains. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Find me on X. I'd love to talk crypto with you, or DeFi. CryptoZone.1013. Check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace.